Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. Look, I know I look rough in my bonnet or whatever, but I'm gonna do her hair. She got a lot. Turn around, let them see. I just blew it out. Alright, so we about to see. I was supposed to take a picture for your mother. You guys look at this. Look, it's really thick. Keep it straight. Okay. Okay, girl, with the inches. Look so pretty. Alright, come on, sit it down. Alright, hey guys. Sorry you hear snoring. My nephew is asleep right here. But I just want to say that I do not like doing hair. But I did this because I told my cousin that I would, so I just decided to record it. And I had music on here, but it keep getting copyrighted, so I don't feel like messing with all that. So here we are talking. Yeah, y'all should let me know like in the comments what y'all like to see, because I'm not great with these ideas. I'm over here stressing out. Well, I'm not stressing out. I won't say I'm stressing out, but I would like for you guys to tell me what you would like to see, because I have no clue. But yeah, if y'all want to see me do more hairstyles, I will. Even though I absolutely do not like doing hair, but I will for you guys. Yeah, hopefully this YouTube stuff is realistic. I don't know. We're just gonna see. Hopefully y'all just stick around the whole time, and y'all ain't gonna watch all the video, but they ain't watch most of the thing. I'm over here putting in mad work, and she almost fell right here. I was dead, but yeah, I'm over here putting mad work trying to edit and all this, and it's not the best. I know it's not the best, but still, you guys should watch it. Get me that watch hour stuff or whatever, where I can get monetized or whatever. Yeah. So how y'all day been? She was cutting up right here, like she kept on screaming for her mama, like I was just absolutely hurting her. No, I was being gentle with her, and she was being so dang on dramatic. Like I kept on her head to be straight, but she'll want to watch TV, and then she'll start crying, talking about something that hurt. No, you just aggravated that you can't watch the TV, and it was just too much going on. That's why I don't like doing her hair, because she always be doing the most. Like when I was blow drying it, she was cutting up, but when her mother had blow dry it, she was just being the perfect little angel. So I just thought, like, okay, I see what kind of games you running. But yeah, I keep saying that I don't like doing hair, but it's made for good content, so I'm not mad at it. But anyways, as you can see, some of these she was cutting up a little bit. You can see some of her facial expressions. But yeah, we almost done. So after the beads and stuff, yeah, it'd be good. And I had a picture to go off. I didn't like do this myself or think about it myself. I was following off a picture, and it didn't take me that long. It took me probably about an hour. It don't really take me long to do hair. I'm done. And I'm supposed to do her mother's hair today, but I don't think I'll record it. I think I'll just let it be. But all right, bye. Gotta show the details. Cute, right? Kira, you like it?
Yeah.
Come here. Back up.
Oh, you look beautiful. Turn. Oh, you look beautiful, Shanna. You like it?
Yeah.
You look cute.
Yes, finally, because she was hollering. Did you hear her crying? She was
Oh,
being really
yeah.
dramatic. Very dramatic.
No, it wasn't. That's how I always act.
Anyways, we gotta close it out. Alright, see you guys next video.
Did this together. We will continue.
What's your reaction?
What am I? Turn around. Oh, it's so pretty. You like it? You do?
She was cutting up. She was cutting
Oh,
up.
just for the ass. Really? All
Yes.
this. You cut up real bad.
No.
It wasn't the words, but she was screaming for you. But she was. It didn't even hurt her. I just kept on like putting her head straight, and she wanted to watch TV,
See,
so
that's
she would
what
start
it
crying and
is.
say it was her pain.
Shut.
I can hear you. But I know.
I need you to put your head down.
Stop.
The bag, like when she like.
If you keep doing it, ain't nobody gonna want to do your hair. You're
And
gonna
I
walk
don't.
around
This
here
was the
looking like
last
nappy head.
time.
Nappy
They'll
head.
ask me no
like
more.
I'm not gonna be doing this.
Yeah, you better be in ponytails, because I'm done. I'm done with you and your
What you
hair.
tell her?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah,
It's
bye.
pretty.
You said you was going to put your shoes on and do
I
it.
did. Look, I took them off first. Out because
I'm just gonna leave that here because I don't know.
I'm